Welcome to this tutorial, where we'll delve into the art of adjusting elements like watercolor textures and photos in Canva. While you can't completely change the color, you do have the freedom to explore and play with the available settings to enhance your designs. So let's get started. Begin by selecting the image you wish to tweak. A simple click on the image will do. Now, navigate to the Edit Photo option. Scroll down and you'll come across the Filters section. Click on See All to unveil a variety of filter options at your disposal. You'll notice that the range of adjustments might seem a bit limited, but there's room for subtle alterations. To dive deeper into these adjustments, click on the filter you want to use. From there, you can fine-tune the intensity to achieve your desired effect. It's important to note that when you make these adjustments and click off, they are applied to the document, and you can't reverse them unless you use the Undo option. So, remember to adjust them when you're applying the filter. With these capabilities, you can enhance your designs and bring your creative vision to life. Happy designing, and thanks for joining us. Remember to stay tuned for more valuable